Hi there! Welcome to Coppertop Burrows, the first burrow to have electricity. I'm Wattson, the head electrician around these parts. And with me are my niece and nephew, Poppy and Robbie. Here at Coppertop, electricity is our top priority. We use it when we read, when we work, and even when we play. Huh? What just happened? Did we lose electricity? Now, don't you worry, kids. Coppertop is one big circuit, so fixing it won't be a problem. Now, let's head out. As you can see, a basic circuit is usually constructed using the bulb, wires, a battery, and a switch. Let's check the bulb first. A light bulb is more than just for seeing and reading. It is also a good indicator for us to know if electric current is able to flow through the circuit. If you've got issues with your light, try to check if the bulb is properly connected. It only needs to be connected at two parts of the bulb, one at its metal casing and another at its metal tip. Despite having proper connections, the bulb is still turned off. That means our electric problem lies elsewhere. It's time we move on to check out the wires. A wire is what allows electric current to flow from one part of the circuit to another. A break or a cut to any section of this wire is sure to disrupt that flow. I just checked this yesterday, so this is likely not our issue. Now, we can head over to the battery. This is the battery. It is the source of energy here in the burrows. The battery stores chemical potential energy, which would eventually be converted into electrical energy in the wires. Always make sure that the battery is lodged in properly. Otherwise, it will have trouble delivering the electric current that we need. With this cleared up, it's time we head over to the last component, the switch. If the wires are what allow electric current to flow from one part to another, then the switch is what controls that flow. By opening the switch, an open circuit is formed and a gap becomes present in the circuit. Since there is no continuous path, no electric current can continue its flow. But by closing the circuit, a closed circuit is formed and that gap disappears. Thus, electric current can flow through a continuous path and reach the light bulb, allowing the bulb to light up. I suspect that whatever is causing this blackout has something to do with our switch. Or maybe it could be something as simple as... Huh? Granny Mole? She might have gotten lost in the burrows. Poor Granny. And it looks like her wheelchair has accidentally turned off the switch, causing our blackout. Come, let's get her out of here and turn the lights back on. I hope you found our little trek across Coppertop electrifying. Sometimes it won't be just a flip switch you have to deal with. Next time it could be the bulb, the wire, or even the battery. But don't worry, we'll figure it out together. Till next time, kids, bye bye! Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to check out more videos by us, do click on the links on the right hand side. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!